You don't need an expensive photo shoot to get brand photos that convert. Here's my simple 3-step system, but first, hi, my name is Jen Vazquez, brand photographer and Pinterest strategist. People will tell me sometimes that they can't afford professional photos, but here's the truth. It's not about the camera, it's about understanding what makes photos convert. I have seen iPhone photos actually outperform professional shoots because they followed the right strategy. And I'm going to be showing you my exact 3-step system for taking brand photos with your iPhone that actually turn browsers into buyers. But first, here's the mindset shift that changes everything about DIY brand photography. The secret is not better equipment. It's photographing with purpose. Most people take pretty photos and wonder why they don't convert in their marketing. Converting photos solve problems and shows transformation. Here's my 3-step iPhone system, and step 3 is a game changer that most photographers don't even think about. Step 1, conversion setup. So for step 1, set up for conversion, not just aesthetics. 3 elements that every converting photo needs: professional look that builds trust, context that shows your experience, and space for text overlay. If you are a business coach, don't just take a headshot. Take a photo of you at your laptop with a clean background, shows professionalism, context, and gives space for quote overlays. Conversion beats perfection every single time. If you want my complete brand photo shot list, plus 25 and more other free resources for your marketing and for Pinterest, basically for growing your visibility, link is in the description, and it also includes my iPhone photo checklist. Step number 2, master your iPhone camera settings. 3 technical musts: portrait mode for that professional blur, window light, never overhead lighting or you're going to get those dark craters underneath your eyes, and vertical orientation for social media and for Pinterest. Here's the setup. Stand 3 feet from the window. You don't want to be right next to the window because the bright light is going to be washing you out. But if you're 3 feet from the window, your skin, it's like a beauty light. It is the best light that you can get. Switch to portrait mode, tap the focus on their eye, and that's it. Window light plus portrait mode beats expensive studio lighting. One caveat: when you're in portrait mode, it can blur really easily. So make sure, if you're having your friend or your husband or your kids, because my kids have taken many a photo of me for marketing, let me just be honest. But you want to have, when someone's taking the photo of you and they tap on the phone to focus on their eye, the person, you in the photo, don't move. So if you're typing, just pretend like you're typing. If you're smiling, then just smile. You don't want to move all over the place because then it's going to get kind of blurry. The other thing I will say in this situation is to take 4 to 5 at least images. And the reason why I say that is because sometimes when you're photographing, it'll be it may get blurry because you're clicking and clicking and clicking when it's like moving. If you have a stand, a cell phone stand, absolutely do that. I'm going to go ahead and insert the stand that I love here, and there'll be a link down below to purchase it. It is super affordable, but it sticks right to the back of your camera. It's insanely good. And here's step 3, the game changer. Plan for use first, then photograph. Most people take photos and then figure out how to use them after. That's backwards. Before you pick up your iPhone, ask, where is this image gonna go? Have a place for it, because that will really tell you how to take that photo. Pinterest pins need vertical photos with text space, and Instagram stories and reel covers are also in portrait. Website headers need to be horizontal, and make sure that you shoot with purpose, not just for pretty. One focused shoot beats 100 random photos. This system works because it's built around conversion, not perfection. When you shoot with purpose or photograph with purpose and follow these 3 steps, your iPhone photos will outperform expensive shoots that missed the marketing strategy piece. This systematic approach is what I bring to my brand photography sessions. We don't just take pretty photos. We actually spend a tremendous amount of time on understanding and learning your ideal client, where you're wanting to grow your business, and then we create the plan of taking those photos so that when you're done with your session and you get that gallery delivered to you, every photo has a place. Most of my clients can use these photos for around 6 months, some even a year, because we create a complete visual strategy that works across all of your marketing platforms. Every photo has a purpose. If you want brand photography photos that are strategically planned for all of your marketing needs, brand photography session details are in the description. Now, next week, I am going to be announcing something big for July that's going to change how you think about community-driven marketing. If you want to be a part of something special, hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you're notified every time I publish a new video right away. What is your biggest brand photo struggle? I want to hear it below. Taking photos, like being in front of the camera, or knowing how to use them? Drop taking below or using in the comments, and I will give you my best tip for whichever one you choose. I'll see you next week.